In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eToro for day trading. First, you need to pick a volatile market. On eToro, head to Discover, then tap Markets. Day trading works best where there's movement and volume because you want prices that actually move during your session. Good places to start are the SPX 500, which tracks the S&P 500, individual stocks like Tesla or Apple, major forex pairs such as EUR USD or GBP USD, and popular crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These markets typically have tighter spreads and consistent activity, which helps with quick entries and exits. If you're unsure, glance at the day's percentage change and recent news to confirm there's momentum. Next, open a chart before doing anything else. Click the asset you're interested in, then select Chart. Switch the view to candlesticks so you can clearly see movement over time. Add a few core indicators: the Relative Strength Index, a moving average, and the MACD. RSI helps you gauge overbought or oversold conditions. A moving average smooths price action and can highlight trend direction. MACD shows momentum shifts and potential crossovers. Keep your chart clean and readable. You don't need a dozen tools, just the ones that help you spot entries and exits with confidence. When you're ready, it's time to enter a trade. Click Trade. Choose your direction based on your analysis. Select Buy if you expect the price to go up. Choose Sell if you believe the price will fall and you want to short it. Make sure your choice aligns with what you see on the chart: trend, momentum, and recent support or resistance. Before you open the position, set your risk controls. This is critical for day trading survival. Define a stop loss to limit how much you're willing to risk if the trade goes against you. Then set a take profit to automatically lock in gains at your target level. Placing these levels near logical areas, below support for buys or above resistance for sells, can help you avoid getting stopped out by normal noise. Be realistic with distances so your stop isn't too tight and your target isn't unreachable within the day. Finally, open and manage the trade. Click Open Trade, then monitor price action and your indicators. Stick to your plan. If momentum fades or your thesis changes, consider tightening your stop or taking profit if your level is hit. Avoid chasing every tick. Let your predefined risk and reward guide you. With practice, this workflow keeps your decisions clear, disciplined, and repeatable throughout your trading session.